Hey everybody, Brad Greenfield here again for the second part of our three-part series in adding a Facebook like button to our county website. Now if you remember during the last video we went and we got a button from the internet that we were going to use for this like button on our website. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to upload this image into SharePoint. So I've asked the Cheatham County office if we could use their website and their Facebook page as an example, and they graciously agreed. So thanks goes out to all of the folks there at the Cheatham County Extension office. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up the website here, the Cheatham County Extension office, and I am going to sign in. Okay, now we see that I've signed in, and for whatever reason we have to agree 3 times to let for the server to let us in fully. So here we are on the front page of the Cheatham County website. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go up here to Site Actions, and I'm going to Manage Content and Structures. What we're going to do is we're going to upload the image that we're going to use for this like button. So again, go to Site Actions, Manage Content and Structures. Okay, click on that. And I've got to sign in yet again. And one more time. There we go. So I don't know why that happens that way. All I know is that it does. So anyway, now that we're in, I'm going to click on image, or actually I'm going to click on images, and I'm going to select new item. Okay. Now it brings up this window to where I can browse for that item. Now if you remember, we created a folder within our photos or within our pictures file, and we called that folder Facebook. So I'm going to click browse here, and since that was the last place that I was, it defaults back to that location. So I click to select it and then select open, and there it's got it. And then I'm going to select OK. We see the process, and then we can give it a name. I'm just going to take off the button part and make it Facebook.jpg, and the title of it is going to be Facebook. Okay, and then I'm going to select this, change this content type to image, and there we see. I'm not going to add any comments or keywords or an author or anything, or a copyright or anything like that. It did change this back to button, so I'm going to go ahead and change that back to Facebook. Change this back to Facebook. What I'm doing here, it really doesn't matter, but just doing it anyway. So click Save. Alright, now if we go here and we select the images, we'll see Cheatham County has some great images up here, and if we scroll down just a little bit, we see that we've got the original Facebook button here, and then it creates, by default, it creates a thumbnail for us. So there is our image successfully uploaded into the images file. So we are ready to move on to our step 3, and then just go back over what we did there. Went to the county website. Let me go back to this. I'll just close this out. We went to the county website. We selected Manage Content and Structure. On the images, we selected from the drop down, we selected New Item. We uploaded it from our computer, and I'm not going to do it again because I don't want to put a duplicate file in there, but we uploaded it from our computer. We selected Image, titled it, and selected Save. So now that image is in our on our SharePoint website. All we have to do during the next session is add a web part, add that image, put a hyperlink on that image, and we have an operating Facebook like button. Alright, that's it for this one. We'll be back in just a bit with our part 3 of the 3-part series of adding a Facebook like button.